Do you know that you can turn your half-inch ratchet into a digital torque wrench? You can with this M7 digital torque adapter. It has a working range of 12 to 250 pounds force-foot. Just attach this adapter to your square drive ratchet, set the torque level, and get to work. You'll know you reached the right torque level by looking at the digital display. It shows torque units in pounds per foot, Newton meter, and kilogram centimeters. There's also an audible tone alert that lets you know you're there. JB Tools has the best price on this digital torque wrench adapter. We're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 air tools. Shop with us and save.